Finding a real estate agent is very easy. Finding the real estate agent, that's what's the tough part. If you are looking to buy or sell anywhere in America, I can put you in touch with the top agent in your market. And let me explain how. I'm here just outside of Denver, Colorado, and I just finished with the Star Power Real Estate Conference. This is an annual event that brings together the top 1% of real estate agents from across North America. You're seeing some of the people I know who are tops in their field on your screen now. I've been coming to conferences just like this since the mid-1990s. In that time, I have built very deep, very good networks of the top real estate professionals throughout the United States and Canada. If you are looking to buy or sell real estate anywhere in America, here's what you do. Pick up the phone and give us a call or send us a text on our real estate hotline, and we will not only put you in touch with a real estate agent, we will put you in touch with the very best real estate agent in your area.